Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best starter culture is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions to your fermenting arsenal, allowing you to easily and consistently create delicious and healthy fermented vegetables at home, transforming ordinary vegetables into tangy, probiotic-rich delights. With a wide variety of strains to choose from, catering to different vegetable types and desired fermentation profiles, ensuring a successful fermentation process every time, making it a must-have for both beginners and experienced fermenters alike. Number 5. Cultures for Health San Francisco Sourdough. It's easy to use, perfect for those new to sourdough or experienced bakers. Get comfortable feeding your starter before you even start baking. With proper care, it can be used again and again. Make delicious bread time after time. It's not just for bread. Use it to make pizza dough, muffins, cakes, and more. It boosts the nutritional value of your baked goods and adds amazing flavor. Plus, it's full of prebiotics for better digestion. It's tested by a third-party lab to ensure quality and safety. Make delicious and healthy baked goods at home with confidence. What we like? It's a great option for those new to sourdough. You can use it again and again to make various baked goods. If you are looking for a simple way to make delicious bread and more, this is it. What people say. My starter finally doubled in size yesterday. I started feeding it every 12 hours, swapped my flour for whole wheat and started putting the starter in the oven with proofing mode on. I think something to keep in mind is that this is a dehydrated starter, not an active one. So it takes time. The flavor is great. I followed the instructions to a T and had great results. It took 6 days of initial feeding as described. Now my feedings are reduced to weekly. The starter doubles in 6 hours at 75 degrees. Makes wonderful and tasty bread. Patience is key. I made 2 loaves last night and they were flat. I left them out and went to bed. This morning, I threw them in the oven at 500 degrees, then immediately lowered the oven to 450. I let the loaves cook for 22 minutes. I pulled them out and shrugged, figuring it was a waste of time. I was wrong. These 2 dud loaves were better than anything I've made with my own starter. It was fluffy on the inside with a wonderful, crispy crust and that fantastic San Francisco sourdough flavor. Number 4. Cultures for Health Rye Sourdough. It's easy to use, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Get comfortable feeding your starter before you even start baking. With proper care, it can be reused endlessly. Make delicious bread again and again. It's not just for bread. Unleash your creativity and make crackers, pizza dough, muffins, and more. It's low-carb and packed with vitamins, minerals, and prebiotics for healthy digestion. Enjoy delicious and nutritious bread. Third-party tested for safety and quality. You can trust it to make great baked goods at home. This starter is your key to creating amazing artisan bread, English muffins, and more. Get baking. What we like? This is another great starter for beginners. It's also reusable, and you can make a variety of foods with it. If you want to explore different rye-based recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked absolutely perfectly. Since I grind my own rye flour, I wanted a sourdough starter that would give me the ability to use rye instead of wheat flour. This system did the trick perfectly. I've been using the starter I built for over a month now. I make bread every week, and I've never had a bit of problem with it. The starter activated within days and I was able to make my first sourdough loaf just 2 weeks after starting. I feed using rye flour and made a loaf also using rye flour and it turned out great. The taste was good and the starter is still going strong. This is such a robust starter. I have great flavor, texture, and rise. Beautiful bread as you can see. I am also gluten sensitive and this bread doesn't seem to bother me at all. It was easy to use to create a usable starter as well with clear directions. Number 3. Endless Fresh Live Sourdough Starter. It's alive and ready to use. Get baking delicious bread right away. For best results, feed it within 48 hours of delivery and store in the fridge until you're ready. This starter is reusable indefinitely. Keep it going and enjoy making delicious bread again and again. It's full of probiotics, making the bread easier to digest. Plus, the finished bread contains prebiotics for a healthier gut. Use it for pizza dough, pie crusts, bagels, the possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen. Made with only non-GMO white wheat flour and live active cultures. It's also third-party tested for your peace of mind. What we like. If you want to start baking right away, this live starter is perfect. It's also reusable and can be used for many recipes. If you need a quick and easy way to make delicious sourdough, this is the best choice. What people say. The instructions were easy to follow and we quickly rehomed it to the jar seen in pictures. The first picture was taken after maybe an hour, so there was a little rise already starting which surprised me greatly. The second picture is from tonight. This is growth from barely 6 hours. The starter smells delicious already and is happy and active. It's a very active starter and it has great flavor. This was my first try making sourdough and the starter doubled after the second feeding. The directions were easy to follow. After struggling with repeated attempts to create my own sourdough starter from scratch, and failing miserably with a weak starter, I broke down and purchased this starter. I'm happy to say that after about a dozen loaves, the starter continues to produce fluffy, high-rise, and airy sourdough loaves that rival bakery products. You just have to remember to feed it 1-2 eggs per day, or store it in the refrigerator when not using, feed it first. If you do store it in the refrigerator, take it out, let it warm up, feed it, and presto, great starter for your baking. Number 2. Apron Maven Premium Starter. It's a heritage sourdough starter, born from the San Francisco climate. Now you can bake bread with that same famous texture and crunch, right at home. This dry starter is incredibly easy to use. No kneading required. Just follow the simple instructions, and it'll be ready to use in just 3 to 5 days. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for sourdough, baguettes, challah, or even sweet treats like pancakes and cookies. The possibilities are endless. This starter is designed to last a lifetime. You'll enjoy consistent results and save money on starter purchases. We source our ingredients sustainably and ethically, supporting local artisans and small businesses. Made with premium ingredients, it's carefully crafted for the perfect balance of yeast, bacteria, and flour. Your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. What we like. This dehydrated starter is super easy to use and will last a lifetime. It's also very versatile. If you're looking for a convenient and long-lasting option, this is the one for you. Number 1. Elementi Fermenting Kit. It uses food-safe soda lime glass and BPA-free plastic. This ensures no flavor transfer and is completely safe for your food. These weights and lids keep your vegetables submerged, preventing spoilage from oxygen. It maintains the perfect environment for fermentation. It's compatible with most wide-mouth mason jars, making small-batch fermenting easy and fun. Perfect for pickling too. They are dishwasher safe and built to last. The thick, heavy weights will keep your food submerged for years to come. Simply add your vegetables, salt, and flavorings. Submerge them in brine, add a weight, and seal with the lid. Enjoy your homemade sauerkraut or kimchi. What we like. This kit is made from food-safe materials and is very durable. It's also easy to use for small batches of fermentation. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use fermenting kit, this is the perfect choice. What people say. A complete fermentation kit that works quite well. Very easy to use, works great with all wide-mouth canning jars. Have made pickles and sauerkraut, works great, no issues. I looked at several other products that were more expensive and contained unnecessary add-ons. This product is cheap, simple, and effective. Have already used 4 times and it works very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.